All right, so I got my Extra Life keyboard today. It's for raising $2,000 last year. So it's backlit. It's a mechanical keyboard using blue switches. Has a custom Extra Life design, and it's a wired USB. So the box it came in tells us thank you for your support. Extra Life keyboard. It's weird these ends are upside down, but thank you for your support. All right, so let's get this open here. Comes with this here. Talks about the warranty and how it's used, and there's RGB functions and what things to do to change certain modes and stuff like that. So let's see here. Let's try to get the keyboard out of here. Right, so nice braided USB cable. Okay. So out here. Let's put that over there. Sorry here. Get this yet. All right. So here's the keyboard. It's really cool. Extra Life logo. The Extra Life logo on the arrow keys there. This is Extra Life here. All the letters are on the edges of everything. And it's a clicky keyboard. Probably typical blue switches, but yeah, it's got the rubberized feet for standing it up if you want. Here on both sides. Yeah, looks like a pretty nice keyboard. It is RGB backlit. I have a friend of mine that did a video of it, so it does make some cool colors going through. But yeah, so there it is. Pretty nice, huh? I think so. Thank you for everybody that made this happen last year in 2022. I'm excited to see what this year's incentive item is for high-end money raised. So pretty cool. Thank you.